I rule my life. I decide. I create my destiny. I create my life. I create who I am. I am strong. I am powerful. Everything is mine in this life. Life is mine. Everything is mine.
I want to give a shout out to my brothers around the world who have decided to get on no FAP and semen retention. I want to commend you. I want to praise you. You knew the journey was not going to be easy, but you decided still. You see, porn was no easy thing to quit, and still isn't an easy thing for those of you who have not fully quit. It's hard. It's going against every fiber in your being because your brain loves it. But you, as an honorable man, knew that you deserved a better life. You knew that your life was meant to be better than just watching porn and wasting your semen. You didn't like the way you felt. You didn't like the way your life was going. You hated it. And you heard of NoFap and you decided to join. Man, listen carefully. If nobody else told you, but I'm telling you right now, as a man who practiced porn and masturbation for 23 years, from the age of 13 till 36, I'm telling you, be proud of yourself. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, be encouraged. Really feel good that you have made that decision, because I have met men who told me straight up, nah man, I'm not gonna quit porn. I have tried and it's too hard. Too bad if it kills me, but I can't try one more time. But you are a legend. But you love yourself. But you respect yourself. And you knew that it wasn't something to be proud of. It wasn't something that you were willing to continue to suffer for. And you were willing to put in the work. You were willing to take your chances. You were willing to believe the man who came before you, who quit porn and who came back as a testimony, as a living example to you. You believed them and you took your chances. The fact that a man can choose to get on NoFap is nothing short of miracle. It is nothing short of glory. That man must be complimented. That man. Congratulations for trying semen retention, because that's all that matters. The will. Where there is a will, there is a way. Nothing can keep a determined man behind. Nothing can deter a decided man. You are that decided man. You are that determined man. Bro, you are strong. You are powerful. You have more worth than you initially knew. Your life was meant to be way better than just watching porn every night and wasting your semen. You know that. Deep within, you know that you are a man of importance. You are a man of significance. You are a man of great status. In you are dreams, plans, ideas for business, ideas for books, ideas for creative endeavors. In you is a plethora of great things just waiting to emerge, just waiting to come forth. But you couldn't do those things because porn blocked you. Porn took your life away, basically. But you have decided to end all of that. And I want to commend you. I want to say, bro, be proud of yourself because you are a great man. You are a man of understanding, you know. Because to be able to put an end, or even to be willing to put an end to a self-destructive cycle, is nothing short of glory. Because I guarantee you right now, there are people who are very aware that they are living a destructive cycle and that will eventually send them to the grave. They do not have the courage. They do not have the heart to get up and want to step out of it. But you are among the special ones. You see, in this time, you have been called. You have been called to step out of darkness into the light. You have been called to receive the light. You have been called to receive the scepter of power. You have been called to carry the torch of freedom. You have been called to step up and be your true self. And you have answered the call. I want you to understand, and I want you to be encouraged. I want you to know that you're not alone. There are men praying for you. There are men sending you positive vibes every single moment, because I'm one of such men. It's my passion to encourage men. It's my passion to inspire and share the insights and ideas that help me to get on no FAP and semen retention with men. Because I know the pain, I know the anguish, I know the self-loathing feeling, the guilt, the torment. Some of us were even suicidal. I hope that you have not gotten that far, but I know it's a possibility because I was there several times. And I know men who've told me they wanted to commit suicide several times. They said, you know what? That's it. This is it. I can't get out of this self-destruction and I'm just going to put an end to my life. So if you're watching this video, if you're listening to my voice right now, it means that you are still alive. You have not taken your life away yet. And I believe that it is God's plan, it is the universe's purpose to save you in this time right now, so that you become a pioneer of freedom,